how are you? I hope you all are fine. In our last class, we studied about asexual reproduction in animals, and today we'll study about sexual reproduction in animals. In sexual reproduction, both the sexes, male and female, are involved. The male organism produces the male reproductive cells called sperms. The female organism produces the female reproductive cells called ova or eggs. The sperm reaches the eggs or ovum and fuses with it to form a zygote. The zygote divides repeatedly and forms an embryo. The embryo grows to become a new individual. And now we are going to study about human reproductive system. In that, first we'll start with male reproductive system. Slide please. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is made up of a pair of testes, epididymis, two vas differentia, that is sperm ducts, urethra, penis and accessory glands. Testis. This is what? Male reproductive system in humans, and this is male has a pair of testes. These are oval in shape. Their shape is oval. They lie in a small sac called the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. This position of the testis keeps the temperature about 2 to 3 degrees centigrade lower than the body temperature. This temperature is most suitable for the production and development of sperms. Testes produce sperms and the male sex hormone testosterone. The production of sperm starts in the testes at the stage of 14 to 15 years. Sperms are produced throughout the life of an individual. A sperm is a single cell. Each sperm has a head, a middle piece and a tail. Tail of sperm helps to move. Now, epididymis. There are coiled tube-like structures firmly attached to the testis called epididymis. They temporarily store the sperms. Now, what about the vas differens? That is sperm ducts. The vas differens, the plural is vasa differentia, is a narrow duct. It starts with the epididymis and joins the urethra. It carries sperms to the urethra by the action of its muscular walls. Now, what is urethra? Urethra is a long tube that arises from the urinary bladder and passes through the penis. It opens outside through the male genital pore. The urethra carries either urine or sperms at a time. Now, penis. The penis is a long and thick muscular organ. It passes urine and also injects sperms into the vagina of the female during intercourse. Accessory glands. The male accessory glands includes seminal vesicle, prostate glands and Cooper's glands. Seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicles are paired glands. Each gland opens into the vas deferens just before it joins the urethra. It secretes an alkaline fluid that provides nourishment to the sperms. Prostate gland. Prostate gland is prevent at the base of the urethra. It secretes a thick, milky and alkaline fluid. The fluid provides nutrition to the developing sperms. Corpus gland. Corpus glands are 2 in number. They are present just below the prostate gland where the urethra enters the penis. They secrete a fluid that serves as a lubricant. The sperms and secretions of the accessory glands form a milky fluid that is called as semen. Approximately 2.5 to 4.0 milliliter of semen is discharged at one time. It contains around 300 to 400 million sperms. Now, this was all about male reproductive system in humans. Tomorrow, we'll study about female reproductive system. Thank you, students.